Visit us on onestepenglish.com.
Business English. Global marketing.
Let's learn English. Today, we are going to talk about global marketing. Its elements, some advantages, and disadvantages as well.
We will also learn a few things about marketing and domestic marketing.
Marketing. It refers to activities a company undertakes to promote the buying or selling of a product or service. Marketing.
Domestic marketing. It consists of the marketing strategies used by a company to allow customers to purchase within a local market. Domestic marketing.
Global marketing. It is the application of a single marketing strategy in the worldwide market, for a product or service. Global marketing.
Here are the elements of global marketing.
Product. A product can be either a tangible good or an intangible service that fulfills a need or want of consumers. It's important that you have a clear grasp of exactly what your product is and what makes it unique before you can successfully market it.
Price. Once a concrete understanding of the product offering is established, you can start making some pricing decisions. Price determination will impact profit margins, supply, demand, and marketing strategy.
Place. Remember that marketing is about putting the right product, at the right price, at the right place, at the right time. It's critical to evaluate what the ideal locations are to convert potential clients into actual clients.
Promotion. After the product, price, and place, now it's time to promote it. Promoting a product will help the business to get more potential customers and it will reach its market even more.
People. People are the most important element of any service or experience. Services tend to be produced and consumed at the same moment, and the aspects of the customer experience are altered to meet the individual needs of the person consuming it.
Process. It includes a way in which value can be created for the customers to satisfy their requirements. It is an endless series of actions and reactions between the customers and the companies, making attempt to create value for and satisfy the needs of customers.
Here are the advantages of global marketing.
You can reach more customers. It's a simple practice of supply and demand. If you are able to connect with customers globally instead of locally, then you are able to reach more people.
It can be an inspiration for new ideas. Global marketing can inspire innovation that can take your business to new levels, while you're able to reach out with your existing portfolio to generate revenues.
It increases the visibility of your brand. When you are able to reach new markets with your brand, then your visibility increases along with it. This will make it a lot easier to take advantage of future opportunities.
It offers greater stability to a business. Trends in every industry are constantly evolving. What was popular 5 years ago might not be popular today, but there's a chance that a product that is used to be popular in the local market might have another chance to the other countries.
Here are the disadvantages of global marketing.
It can be difficult to determine if there is an available market. Different cultures and local societies have different needs that need to be met. Although many products perform well globally if they are able to perform well locally, that isn't always the case for niche products.
There will still be competition in the market. You might have the best product in the world and be effective with a global marketing strategy. But eliminating local competition doesn't mean you'll eliminate international competition.
There will always be a risk. The costs of marketing globally are dramatically reduced, but they are still existing, and there's a time investment involved with marketing that keeps getting larger as you target more potential customers.
There may be different laws and standards which need to be met. Different countries have different product or service requirements that businesses must meet in order to finalize a sale. Thank you for watching. We hope that you learned a lot. Please stay tuned for more videos and updates. See you soon.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.com.